Alright, so your microwave, it working, but the heating very low. Alright, so you check the magnetron, and the magnetron, it reading correct. Everything working in magnetron, but it's still getting a low heat. Alright, so I'll show you. We are looking for continuity. Alright, so again I read in on both terminals. So that's what they're looking for. I take one probe, put it on the terminal and one on the arm body. No reading. Right, do the same thing. Put the probe on one terminal, on the other terminal, touch the body, nothing. No reading. That is good. Right, so you want this reading here. So that's good. Right, so the magnetron working, but it heating very low. So one of the main reasons why it does heat very low is because of this. If you can watch, if you can see, you see a magnet there, it cracked. So that's one of the reasons why it producing a very low heat, because of the magnet. Right, how the magnet cracked there, they're not producing enough power, normal power. They're producing a lower power because the magnet crack. Alright, so there you have it. Now you know one of the reasons why the magnetron produces a very low heat is because the magnet it crack. Thanks for watching all my videos. Don't forget to like, share, leave a comment. Until next time, Mr. Fix It 360 saying good luck with all your repairs.